Okay, today we're sharing on how to load new posts on WordPress. For those of you who've been asking for a while. So here we are on the dashboard of this particular website. That's where stuff happens on WordPress. From there, you go on here, posts. If you wanted to check all the posts you already had, we go to all posts. But now we're adding a new post. You click on add new. So from there, we'll go on and then just a moment. Nigerian internet. So now we add the title. How to add a post on WordPress. Ta-da. So now here, this means if you're using a particular theme, the builder of that theme, you could decide to use that so you can match the interface of what you've already designed, or it's easier, for example, to work on the particular interface. So here now we can use the default so that for any other person who's not using a builder, you know what to do. So you just click on the default, and then I already have something pasted on the clipboard. You paste it. It's just general unreadable text so that you have an idea what we're working with. When you've done that, you come over here, for example, not the block now, for the post. So here, for those that want to change dates, for example, maybe you are putting at the previous post that you already had up there, you want to put it again, you can choose a date here. You can choose the particular date there, or else it will post immediately and read the particular dates that you did that. And then here you have stuff like a camera link, and maybe yes, you want to change the way it shows when you're copying and pasting links to people. Then here is your category, and here is your tag. All these help your SEO. Okay, and then you can the image you want to show on top of that particular post. You set it here. And then when you've done that, you can do your publish. But I am not publishing on this particular post, on this particular website at the moment, because the text you have here is mumbo jumbo. So you publish and you're done, it will appear on whatever blog you're using. So tell us what you liked about that, what more you'd like to see, so we can help you with what you need to. Okay? I hope you got everything you needed to get from there. So enjoy.